before they rot.
Bless you, carrot. Oh, maybe you'll get something else as well, sir? Yes, Louika, very good choice.
Morning. Good day to you, sir. Wait a minute, what the hell?
They're battling it out over the wheat. They want the whiskey and the wheat.
Hello?
Break it up,
Oh,
break it up.
I can't do anything about this.
Break it up, sir. If you want to go around, okay? Yes.
Oh, there you go, there you
Thank
go.
goodness. They came to a resolution. Peaceful resolution. Yeah. Let's get rid of the junk, Moko-chan. I'm gonna clean up the store. Thank you.
That was the cutest sneeze I've ever heard.
That was very adorable.
Rare. Thank you.
Hi.
What the heck?
What's up?
I pulled up a fish trophy.
A fish
Oh,
trophy?
nice.